जल्दी बात नहीं। हम्म, ये क्या है? हाँ जी, it starts from and G, you are all aware about the coronavirus, that which is a pandemic and which is prevailing nowadays quite a lot. And it is there in the air, it is there with the people that you come across, right? So there are certain of the precautions, and this is just a PPT that is showing some of the awareness regarding what this disease is and what are the various preventions, preventive methods, that which you already know, but still just an awareness about that, right? So this is basically the disease that which we have obtained from China, right? So this is Wuhan, China was the first area which was being, you can say, infected by this particular disease. And so this has been given the name as COVID-19. It belongs to the viruses family. So corona is a virus, right? So what is this COVID-19? Coming to this COVID-19, which is previously known as a novel coronavirus. Initial name जो था इसका novel coronavirus था. It's a new strain of the coronavirus that first emerged in Hubei, that is the province in the China. Coronaviruses, they are the large family of the viruses and they cause the common cold in humans as well. But those are the small kind of the viruses that is from this family. There are smaller viruses that which are infectious, causing these kind of the diseases. These are the small acute diseases, you can say. And but this virus that has proved to be a properly, you can say, a big hazard to the human health, right? So coronavirus that rarely the new strains of the coronaviruses can jump from the animals to the humans to cause this disease. It can spread by predominant spread of the respiratory droplets, that is someone coughing and the contact of that, basically that which the healthy person gets, so we get that particular disease. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्या है कि हम लोग तभी कहते हैं कि हमें बार बार जो हैंड्स है वो सैनिटाइज करते रहना चाहिए. वाई टू सैनिटाइज अवर हैंड्स frequently? This is only because if you are touching some surface, let's say you have any particular droplets present already there and you touch that surface, the viruses come onto your own skin. And when they are coming onto your own skin and you touch your face, you touch your eyes or you touch your nasal passage or something like that, and that goes inside your body. Okay, so through these natural openings only, they are going inside. Already we have studied that the immunology that says there are certain of the barriers at the ends where there is no skin, physiological barrier जहाँ पे नहीं है, वहाँ पे chemical barriers है. But still this virus that has caused severity because it is too, you can say, hard structure. It has a complex structure which can't be dissolved, which can't be finished, or which can't be dispersed, or which can't be degenerated basically by the action of the chemicals in our natural openings also. Okay? So the causes may be infectious just before symptoms appear as well as with the minimal symptoms. कुछ मिनिमल सिम्टम्स भी होते हैं, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा बहुत ज़्यादा ओवरलोडेड सिम्टम्स, बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े सिम्टम्स भी आते हैं हमारे पास. So the symptoms, they are like fever and tiredness, can be the continuous coughing, loss of taste or smell in a few has also been noticed. There is a breathing difficulty as its severe problem. The severity says that there is a breathing problem, right? Breathing difficulties become as the last, or you can say as a almost utmost last symptom which is seen in the human suffering with this, that which can't be recovered easily. That is the breathing difficulties, right? So the most common symptoms you can see from here, they are fever, dry cough, tiredness. Then the less common symptoms are aches, pains, sore throat, diarrhea, conjunctivitis, headache. Serious symptoms are difficulty breathing, difficulty in the breathing or the shortness of the breath, chest pain or the pressure or the loss of speech or movements even, right? So coming to the next is the causes. Causes, again, I told you that this is the virus that which is causing this particular disease. It's not a bacterial disease, and bacterial diseases can be cured very easily. That is by the use of antibiotics, right? But it is hard to make the, you can say, antibiotics, or it is hard to make the chemicals or medicines like that against the viruses, right? Because of their nature. The viruses, they are inactive when they are outside the host cell, but they become very much active when they are inside the host cell. So here is a virus that causes the COVID-19, is in a family of the viruses called the coronaviridae. Antibiotics do not work against viruses. Some people who become ill with COVID-19 can also develop a bacterial infection as a complication. In this case, antibiotics may be recommended by a healthcare provider. There is currently no licensed medication to cure the COVID-19. Till now, the people, they are just under the search of medicines, they are under the search of vaccines, which can be provided just to properly cure this particular disease. Otherwise, many medicines, initially it was like the medicine of the malaria, that which is used to treat the malaria. It was also tested on the corona patients, and some of them gave the positive results, but it is not a sure shot method to cure it. So this is the, you can say, medicine which is prominently working for this particular disease has yet to be discovered. Okay. So if you have symptoms, call your healthcare provider or COVID-19 hotline for the assistance, right? This is our symptoms again, like that of the loss of taste, then there is loss of smell, or you have the breathing difficulty, or you have the continuous cough, you have the continuous cold-like conditions, then that means you are, to some extent, you are suffering or you may be suffering from that particular disease. So you must concern your health provider, that is your doctor or some physicians regarding that. Okay. So some of the preventive measures here are: protect others from getting this particular disease. When coughing and sneezing, cover your mouth and nose with flexed elbow or tissue. Basically, we are using the mask, right? That is why it is only because the mouth also, when you are speaking, that droplets are also coming out. So that is why we are covering the mask. Mask is not for the your own shield, it is also basically acting as a shield for the others. Okay, so that जो आपके अंदर in case you are suffering with this particular disease, you are not spreading it to the society, right? So this is, you should cover your mouth and nose properly. Throw the tissue into the enclosed bin immediately after the use. Even the disposable mask, these ones, that which also should be disposed of after their use. Clean hands with alcohol-based hand rub or soap and water after coughing or sneezing and when caring for the sick. ठीक है, जब आप किसी sick person की care कर रहे हो, भले ही वो कोरोना सफर है या वो कोई और है, कोई common cold से भी सफर है, क्योंकि वो virus same है, तो it can be like you should take the common preventions. Like you should have your proper cleaning, you should have the proper cleaning of your, you can say, hands. Your own hygienic conditions should come first, right? Then only you can take care of the others, that is your near and dear ones, right? Then frequently clean the hands by using the alcohol-based hand rub, that is the sanitizers that must be carried. As a student also, when coming to the school or when going anywhere else, you must also generate the awareness. If you are aware yourself, then you can generate the awareness in your family members regarding this also, right? So when coughing and sneezing, cover the mouth and the nose with a flexed elbow or the tissue. Then again, throw tissue immediately away and wash your hands. Avoid close contact with anyone that has fever or cough. This is what we name it as social distancing. Normally, social distancing should be there just to prevent yourself as well as the society from this particular pandemic, right? So thoroughly, all the non-vegetarian material that should be thoroughly cooked, right? Avoid the unprotected contact with the live, wild, or the farm animals. This has been there from the China only, from the animals it started. So this is very much dangerous, you can say. Protect others from getting sick again by avoiding the close contact when you are experiencing cough or the fever. Avoid spitting in public, right? The spits also, like when you are saying, it is the case of the spitting. When you say like you are entering into your home also, you should remove your shoes outside the home, right? Outside your maybe room, in the lobby or something, like in your outer veranda. Na? So kind of you should remove your shoes and you should go inside. Why we say this? That is because the shoe soles, you have been walking from different areas, you don't know where the person has spitted, the person suffering with the corona, where he or she has spitted. So if it is the condition, your soul has carried that particular coronavirus and it is coming and entering into your house, then definitely you will be also becoming a sufferer. It can be, it might happen, right? But otherwise, you should take this care also. When entering into your room, do not touch anything. When you are entering into your house or will, even when we go back to the home, we also do the same. We remove our shoes outside, right? And without touching anything, you just go and wash your hands thoroughly with the soap and running water. The soap contact should also be for nearly 20 seconds approximately. It should be 20 seconds. You keep on rubbing between your fingers, between the thumbs positions, and also on your nails, right? So proper rubbing of the hand should be done, so that if in case there is any contact, that should not spread with your family members. Okay. And removing of the shoes is also very much important. Okay. So then is, if you have fever, cough, and difficulty in breathing, seek the medical care early and share previous travel history with your health care provider, right? Then again, the same, that is, you have to use this hand sanitizer, alcohol based hand sanitizer, or the best one is to use the soap and water, and also avoid the non-vegetarian material, that is the flesh and all, right? So let's be together and take pledge to kick out this virus from our country as well as the lives by maintaining social distancing and following the preventive measures. Be safe, be corona free, be alive, right? Thank you so much. So this was just an awareness for you people, right? If you have any questions regarding this coronavirus, you can please ask me. I'm here to answer your questions also. And the last steps they were left, that is the compiled steps for this technology. So this is the first step for that was isolation, which we have already done yesterday. So isolation of DNA using certain of the chemicals. Now when these are isolated, then we will be fragmenting these, right? So second step will be that of the fragmentation. How the fragmentation is done? That is cutting it into the smaller fragments. That is through the process or the technique which is used called as gel electrophoresis. This we have discussed yesterday, right? Now after getting the fragments, what we will do? We will look for the gene of interest. So that gene of interest will be also amplified. Next will be the amplification of the gene of interest. The third step, the third step will be amplification of gene of interest. How it is done?
By PCR technique.
PCR. What is the full form of PCR?
Polymerase chain reaction.
It is polymerase chain reaction. What are the three steps of this polymerase chain reaction?
Annealing, extension,
पहले denaturation. पहले सबसे पहले
Denaturation होता
पहले सबसे पहले denaturation करेंगे, तोड़ेंगे. पहले दो DNA strands जुड़े पड़े हैं जो bonded हैं, उनको अलग करेंगे, तभी तो anneal करेंगे, तभी तो extend होगा. ठीक है? So the three steps of this are denaturation, then annealing. Denaturation is of the two strands of the DNA. Annealing is that of the RNA primer. And then is the extension, that is a complementary chain will be made and it will be extended. Repeating back this cycle as many times you want, you can get the gene which will be amplified throughout, right? So gene of interest को हमने क्या है पहले अलग कर लिया. We have to look for, ठीक है? You can make this as one step only, that is isolation or separation and amplification of the gene of interest. इस तरह से लिख लो isolation and amplification, क्योंकि पहले आपको उन सबको amplify नहीं करना. You want to only look for the gene of interest, ठीक है? So you can just modify this step as isolation and amplification of gene of interest, or you can write separation and amplification of gene of interest. Then what will be there? Yes, अब gene of interest भी आ गया है. अब क्या करेंगे हम? Use of vector, है ना? और vectorless technique है, तो use of those techniques that you have to follow, right? So here we are using the common traditional method. So using the vector, use of vector, or simply you say that is combining this foreign DNA material, that is the gene of interest, with that of the introducing the gene of interest into the vector. अब ये simple लिख दो यहाँ पे इसकी introduction में. This is to introduce the gene of interest into the vector. Now, when the vector is also ready, next what will you do? Vector is ready with the rDNA. Yes. अब vector तैयार host के अंदर डाल देंगे. That is now introducing the vector along with the rDNA into the host. So transferring the vector, transferring the vector with the recombinant DNA, जो इसके अंदर foreign DNA पड़ा है, so transferring the vector into the host. That is the next step. And what next? Recombination will be made. It will be all, you can say, set for the production into the host cell, set for the changes which were required in the host cell. But again, because when we fragmented these, we got to have only one gene of interest, है ना? एक ही हमारे पास फ्रेगमेंट ऐसा आया होगा ना जहाँ पे हमारा जीन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट रहा होगा. एंड इफ वी नीड टू एम्पलीफाई इट, हमने एम्पलीफिकेशन किया क्यों था? क्योंकि अगर हमारे पास एक ही फ्रेगमेंट है डीएनए का और अगर वो भी हमारे कल्चर्स में कहीं खराब हो जाता है, देन वी नीड टू रिपीट दिस स्टेप्स अगेन. तो इसलिए हमने कॉपीज बना ली. सिमिलर इज हियर, आफ्टर डूइंग सो मेनी स्टेप्स, व्हेन वी हैव फाइनली गॉट अवर होस्ट व्हिच हैज बिकेम रिकॉम्बिनेंट, जिसके अंदर फॉरेन डीएनए जो है वो इंट्रोड्यूस हो गया है. अब इसके बाद भी उस होस्ट सेल के अंदर आपने तो किसी एक के अंदर डाला, आपने तो किसी सिलेक्टिव्स के अंदर डाला, जहां रिजल्ट आ गए, बाकी कुछ खराब होंगे, कुछ बनेंगे, कुछ सही होंगे, जहां रिजल्ट्स आ गए तो क्या हम सिर्फ उतना ही सेल्स पे मतलब फिक्स रहेंगे? नो, वी हैव टू एम्पलीफाई दीज अगेन. ठीक है, तो जितने हमारे पास रिकॉम्बिनेंट्स हैं हमें उनको भी एम्पलीफाई करना है. सो एम्पलीफाइंग दीज वी नीड टू रिक्वायर द बायोरिएक्टर्स. ठीक है, सो द नेक्स्ट विल बी to culture these recombinant host cells for the production, more of their production. Okay, so using bioreactors we have already studied. What are bioreactors? That are the big vessels in which the culture medium and the other requirements are completed so that the host cells can multiply, right? बहुत ज़्यादा host cells जो हैं वो बन पाए इसके अंदर. So for that this is required. And just a second. In this case, using the bioreactors, the culturing will be done using bioreactors, culturing of recombinant hosts. जो recombinants या transgenic host बने हैं उनके अंदर हमने क्या करना है, इनको कल्चर कर देना है. Culturing of the recombinant hosts or the newly prepared host or the transgenic host for their more of the production. ठीक है, for the more products. This is the sixth step. And finally, when all it is done, we will be marketing this using the last step, that is the downstream processing. Downstream processing. What is this downstream processing? This involves first of all the clinical test, as we have just studied that of the corona also, right? The medications has not been provided properly because these are being tested clinically. A few of the medicines, they have been cleared from their first stage, second stage, and now they are at fourth or the third stage of their approvals. So accordingly, they are first tested clinically, right? So similarly, here also,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Just a minute, Simar. So all the recombinants which will be made here, they will be first clinically tested and then they will be marketed. Marketing भी कैसे करेंगे? पहले इनको clinical test किया जाएगा, then they will be processed further, they will be packed and then they will be marketed. Okay, so all these steps, all the later steps, they are all collectively termed under the downstream processing. Okay, so these are the steps that which are required as a whole, thoroughly a compiled, you can say, view of all the steps of this biotechnology. So this was about this chapter's revision, and now from tomorrow or just now after this, we can start with the questions discussion from this chapter also. Okay, yes, Simar, you have any doubt? Just a second.
Ma'am, downstream process